WULF stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Terawulf stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief short 1 minute video. Ultimately, as I'm just looking at Wolf, this is a bullish market with a little bit of increase yesterday on Monday, which is great. Honestly, like, all I'm looking to do is actually quite simple. I'm just looking to double down on this beautiful bullish market in this sort of way. Like, I myself would only really long this market if there was like a confirmation or something similar. Key part about this is that we already... two ways to go about this. Either it comes lower and gives me the confirmation beneath there, or you just start shifting from here. I mean, either way, whatever happens first. And if no rules are met, then I'm just not gonna long, just because, you know what I mean. So Wolf, I've got previous receipts as well, so really no sweat there. I had 7 results right here. And that's how Wolf is looking like for me. So this is not financial advice. I do have some results in here. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, stock picks and all that good jazz for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. It's free.